Alhamdulillah, Al-Siddiq Online Quran Academy is providing Quranic education worldwide through a modern online system. Currently, children and adults from Canada, England, Saudi Arabia, Dubai and Qatar are learning the Holy Quran with us. Our courses include Noorani Qaida, Nazra Quran recitation, Hifzul Quran, translation and tafseer of the Quran, essential Islamic rulings Marsail, Islamic upbringing and moral training for children, special arrangements, especially for people living abroad, including those from Afghanistan, India and Pakistan, who are busy with work. No age limit, people of all ages are welcome to join. Contact